I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to almost believe the knowledge and information of the actual depletion and running out of resources with a statement that makes sense. Now I know and do nothing about it but believe that, okay, this is how it is and that's it. Very interesting, though. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to be easily manipulated by knowledge and information of the mind. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to blindly believe the knowledge and information of the mind instead of the living words as one with me, as who I am of life within, and as one is in equality. I am sound, I am silence, I am here. I forgive myself that I haven't allowed myself to realize that in merely changing my behavior is changing another perception of the mind. I am not behavior, I am the expression of life within, and as one is in equality which I live and express in every moment of me. I forgive myself that I have allowed myself to believe that in suppressing emotions and feelings, I am strong and I have courage. I forgive myself that I haven't allowed myself to realize that I am the inner workings of the brain, and I am not subject to the brain unless I accept and allow it within me. I forgive myself that I haven't allowed myself to realize that this entire experiment or investigation is an example of the mind consciousness system in control of the mind or brain. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to be inferior to scientists. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to believe and think I'm inferior to the brain. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to think and believe that I'm inferior to the mind. I forgive myself that I've allowed myself to think and believe that I am inferior and less than knowledgeable, knowledge and information separate from me. I forgive myself that I have allowed myself to think and believe I am less than and inferior to thoughts, feelings, and emotions. I forgive myself that I have allowed others, such as scientists, to tell me and show me what I am and how I am, instead of me standing alone as who I am. Okay, so we're continuing this self-forgiveness in another video. And don't forget to breathe, to be aware of your breath 20 times by closing your eyes in between videos. Okay, in, pause, out, pause. Cool.